Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 11th to 15th May 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.59% positive move, 1.36277 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a big lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 6473 level, which is indicating us a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. Now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So now let's talk about the closing first. So here, 1.36277 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.36129. Direct resistance is 1.36352. After direct support, there is a support of 1.35862 and then 1.35663. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.3636511 and after that 1.3669. Here these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared discount coupon codes in the description where you can get maximum discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can open your account from there and get funded. Also, if you think these prop firms has a very strict rules and you don't understand these rules, so you can open your own account, a live account with GTC FX. I've already given the link in the description. If you're interested in joining a Telegram channel, which is a VIP group, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details on how to get added into a VIP group, which is absolutely free. There are no charges for it. So if you're interested, then do contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative closing in this range, which is 1.358622, 1.36129. I'm expecting a negative closing, but remember, if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.36352 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till this level, which is 1.36511. But we will always wait for a confirmation or a candle closing. Once the candle gets closed, then only we will go for a long or a short position, even though my expectations are a bit negative. But remember, we will always go for a candle closing. If it goes above this level, which is the direct resistance, then we will go for a long as well. So remember, price are very much important rather than only single levels, and the closing of candle is what we will take as a confirmation. So my expectation is a bit negative for this week in GBP USD. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.